Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install graphics mod and a community patch for NFS Shift to trip its gameplay, its graphics, the control features and all that, and also run it in high resolution. So to do this, I'm going to need the game itself. Alright, but before I install this, I'm going to go to document and I'm gonna go look for shift and this one here, graphics config.xml, edit with notepad, and you're gonna see all these settings. Here you can choose your width and height to a high resolution in case you cannot in the game. Here I also have a screenshot of my graphics settings. With this you're not going to have any issues running Reshade. So we got VSync, car details and all that. Alright, after that I'm gonna need community patch and this one. Now I already installed community patch, but the way it works is that you go to community patch and then you're gonna look for default game, and then you're gonna look for copy contents into the game folder. You're going to drag these like so, and then you replace them. Okay, and then you also have these. You're going to put them here. Like I said, they're installed, so I need to replace them. Now I've already installed, but let's just say I haven't installed it. Okay, but it says that it's already installed, so I'm gonna uninstall it and then show you how it's actually installed. So let's uninstall it using bfmod uninstall. Click on this, press uninstall, press yes. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Close. So you have this installer. Double click on this, press next. It's supposed to look for your game folder automatically. So I don't think it's necessary to extract it in the game folder, but it's good to extract it in the game folder in case it doesn't detect it. Alright, once we're done with this, I'm going to go to this zip. So I had a bit of issue with automatic mod launcher. I think this game doesn't work well with it. There's also this issue where you have to run it as administrator, otherwise neither of the two requirements, which is reshade and text mod, are not gonna work. So now that I've extracted this, I'm going to look for textmod.exe. right click on this, run it as administrator. I'm going to choose my game exe and I'm going to go to the game folder, go to text mod, and then choose this. Click on this and press run. And like I told you, you will need to use the graphics settings that I have used, and you're going to have to wait a while for the game to load because it's a little heavy now. But it's not that long. It's gonna be like 30 seconds or something. Modern games take way longer to load, so I don't think it's an issue. Alright. So you have this purple background. It means it's working, but let's go further in the game. You have this new logo. That's another indicator that yes, it's activated. Now I can go into the game. I can go to quick race, and there you can see a little simplified drawing. Inside you have the cars, and the cars have, I guess, better textures. They look more HD. You can also look into these. They are reworked. Okay, they have HD texture, HD dirt, HD logo. Some of the logos that were hard to make out of now seem clear, so I'm going to choose